Have you heard about the Tangshan Earthquake of 1976? On July 28th, at precisely 3:42 a.m., the city of Tangshan in China was shaken by one of the deadliest earthquakes ever recorded. Measuring 7.5 on the Richter scale, the quake struck with such ferocity that it nearly flattened the entire city within minutes. Official reports estimate that around 242,769 people lost their lives, though some believe the real toll could be even higher. The earthquake's impact wasn't just immediate. It left long-term scars on the community and infrastructure. Despite the devastation, the resilience displayed by the survivors and the rapid reconstruction efforts marked a significant chapter in China's modern history.